We are back on Ohio Valley Wrestling, ladies and gentlemen, making their way to the ring, accompanied by his manservant, C.J. Lane. Please welcome the one and only Paredyce. If you can control your gyrations, sir. There you go. Happy holidays to you. Paredyce and C.J. Lane are out here because there's someone that wants to look you face to face and eye to eye. And at this time, I'd like to bring out the other half of this equation. Please welcome the man that wants to confront Paredyce, Rudy Switchblade.
Better the fashion thing from the assault. He's in a bad way about a week ago.
Rudy, now wait a minute, hold on here, ladies and gentlemen. Rudy's asked for this opportunity to confront Paredyce. We have the officials here in the ring to make sure that this stays on a professional level and doesn't get physical. But after his eye damage at the hands of C.J. Lane at the last Saturday night special, Rudy, you finally got that patch off your eye, and now you've got some things to look this man in the eye and say face to face.
You know, I don't know how you do it, but some way, somehow, by the grace of God, every time we wrestle, you manage to slip through my fingers. Now, I don't know if it's that lube you carry in your bag in the back, or maybe it's the fact that the last time we wrestled, your boyfriend sprayed me in the face with mace.
Boyfriend?
But be that as it may, I came out here to ask. Wait, I came out here to demand one more match.
You want one more shot at Paredyce? And I'll be quite honest. Every time he has about got his hands around your neck, somewhere or another you managed to slip out of it, as he said. He's had his eyes raped, he's been kicked in the groin, he's been spraying the face with mace, but all by her, all by C.J. Lane, not by you. Now, are you going to acquiesce to his request for one more chance to get even?
Oh, James, me or these people, we're not very surprised. Oh, Rudy Switchblade wants another piece of Paredyce. Rudy Switchblade wants another trip to Paredyce. Rudy, come out and tell me what I mean to you. Just tell everybody.
Oh, for heaven's sake. No answer there, but Rudy, you want one more shot one-on-one with Paredyce?
See, Jimmy, this is exactly what I'm talking about, that right there. You know, last week when I was sitting at home feeling sorry for myself, I was thinking, how can you beat a man who breaks all the rules? Then it hit me. You change them. See, I couldn't get the job done because I thought I had you where I wanted you when you were handcuffed to the ring, but yet you still managed to get involved. So I did a little thinking, and then I called a cousin back home. And she said she's going to come down here, and we're going to make this a tag team match.
Oh, wait a minute now. He's got a cousin, and she wants to have a little tag team match with you and CJ there.
You think I'm going to get one of those grease monkeys from California, Orange County, or whatever you're from, come in here and mess with my manservant, CJ? Well, you got another thing coming.
It's okay. I can lick any girl in this town.
Well, now, be that as it may, whether you're accepting, you're denying. Get together on it. Tell me, get your story straight here.
You know what? If she thinks she can do it, fine. We'll accept the match. And Rudy, I will lay you down for that 1, 2, 3 one last time.
Well, there you have it. Does your cousin have a name, by the way?
No, it's funny you said, because she just happens to be here right now. You guys want to meet her? Let's bring her out. Epiphany Jones!
Oh, wait a minute! Epiphany Jones is your cousin!
Oh, little respect.
Paredyce looks like a rat trying to find a corner to
pursuit right now, taking off after C.J. Lane. C.J.'s ducking and running and
Stop that woman!
Thank God Chris Sharp there to stop his nonsense. You know, look out! Oh, baby! She's got Sharp! There goes Sharp!
There goes slam the full-grown man.
That's right, December 11th, Saturday Night Special. It's going to be you and your man boy versus me and my cousin, Epiphany Jones.
There's a C.J. Lane.
We've got an update coming on the situation between Moose Thomas and Flash right after this.